What's up, guys? We're back. This is my new avocado. It's the Kahalu, and I'm going to be uppotting this from, it looks like a 1 gallon into a 5 gallon. So I'm going to show you guys my soil recipe that's been working well. Here it is. This is what I use, a Kellogg. It's organic palm, cactus, and citrus mix. And it's actually really loose and nice for avocados. It's been working well for me. So the other thing too is that we're gonna tweak it a little bit. So in addition to this palm, cactus, and citrus mix, I add perlite and sand. So this is what we do. So I start off by filling this up with the cactus mix, and you can see it's it has like pieces of, I don't know what that stuff is. It's probably like, it looks like big pieces of perlite. So it's already got not that much organic material, which is good. And then we're gonna add even more perlite. That's gonna help it loosen up even more. And then of course the sand. I don't get the exact ratios, but this is pretty much the amount that I put in. Maybe 10-15% sand, 10-15% of the perlite, and then the rest of the cactus mix. So now we just dump all of this into my bucket and then mix it up. So this is kind of what it looks like. It's really loose. So I mixed it up with your hands, just kind of mix it up a little bit. But it's really loose. So all right, just put some of the soil at the bottom, put your pot that you want to uppot just to kind of position it. So this actually looks pretty good right here. All right, all done. Don't forget to label it. So it's going to be a long road ahead for this Kahalu. But this is a variety that I've been wanting, so you can see it's really small. And you know, I decided to uppot this into a 5 gallon for now and continue to keep it protected to allow it to grow a little bit more roots. And then maybe next year, hopefully by spring, it's going to grow a little bit more that I can actually put it in the ground. So wish us luck. And as you guys know, you know, we're continuing to add more and more varieties, and I got another variety that I just got also that I'm looking to add. So I'll show you guys that in a second. So what I really like about this mix is that it's organic, it's OMRI listed and certified. So this is actually a good mix, and it's pretty loose. So it's going to help your roots kind of propagate out into the pot and actually start absorbing a lot more nutrients. And also there's some fertilizer that they mix into this already. I believe it's let me see if I can find it. All right, yeah, I was right. So poultry manure, so essentially and feather meal. So there's some interesting stuff in there, and it's actually going to help your avocados grow pretty well. So give it a try. All right, here's another new variety. Let me see if I can zoom in so you can actually see it. It's called a Don Glogli, and I got it for $59.99. And let me see if I can zoom back so you can see how big it is right now. So it's looking good. Excited about this variety because it's supposed to be excellent, just like the Kahalu. So our goal now. I don't know if you guys caught that. I should have just kept on recording, but there was a cat fight right behind me. So I'm glad there's cats, neighborhood cats, because we need them to fend off all of the squirrels that we're dealing with right now. So, but in any case, the Don Glogli is a variety that is an A-type, and it's supposed to be excellent. So this is why we actually have been wanting one of these, and once we found one, I was able to get it. So I got this at Louis in Riverside. They had a couple extra. I'll show you some video footage of that. And when I was there, they also had a bunch of mangoes, and I'll do some video footage of the mangoes also so you can actually see. But excited to have this. We got to get this probably in ground soon. I got to decide where to put it though. So if you guys are growing avocados and you guys are interested in this channel, you may want to subscribe to see what we do in the future and to see how this Don Galogli performs and how it actually tastes when we actually get fruit. So, and then same thing with the Kahalu. The goal is to get some avocados off of it and try it out and see how well it performs, and hopefully we get fruit, and I'll be able to share kind of like my little journey of all of these different varieties, and hopefully be able to kind of make some recommendations going forward, because the Kahalu is a B type, and you know, there's been some that have said that it could be the best B type that's out there. So I may end up adjusting my top 3 type B avocados after the Kahalu, but we'll see. We'll keep it as is for now. Right now, number 1 is Kona Charwell, number 2 is Nabal, and number 3 is Edrenal. So I'll keep that as 1, 2, and 3, and maybe the Kahalu might end up being number 1. Who knows? But thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.